You have reached your destination.
Yep. All right, so here's today's work at hand. I'm gonna strip my drums and repaint them. I'm gonna paint them shiny black. Um, they don't look too awfully bad on the inside. In fact, they look really good on the inside. I don't see any obvious pitting or gouges or anything else. I'll take some time to kind of wire wheel these things down and make some shiny metal. I'll probably do some phosphoric acid coating to get rid of any rust. And there we go. So without any further ado, I'm going to use that sucker to work on that sucker. And this one's done. I've got 3 more to go. Nice and not very pitted. I didn't touch the inner surface here, but I'm likely to take some coarse sandpaper and take a little bit of this stuff out. It's not too bad. Yeah. So, yep, that one's done. And this sucker is next. A little bit more rust on the innards there, so I'll take a wire wheel to that and see how the surface looks. And yeah, get her done. Yep, and here's one of the back drums. I've already stripped one, and not a bad job of it either. I wire wheeled out some rust. The surfaces don't look too awfully bad. I didn't see any pitting or scoring, so that's a good thing. And I did a light wire wheeling of that surface too. No issues. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to do a little bit of what do you call it, fast etch, and not bad. You can see that this has, let's see, I don't feel anything there. No, the surface on this is pretty good. Yep, that's what I'm doing today. And I'm more or less done with both of these. What you're looking at is the phosphoric acid working on the rust. I'm going to wipe this away. Usually one would rinse this stuff away, but I'm not going to. A second or two of normal brake use, and whatever residue is left would go away pretty quickly. And you can see that, god damn it, this stuff turns into kind of a foam, and you can see that there's no rust there. Same thing here. Yep, I didn't do the outer portions of it because I plan to paint that. I don't want any issues with adhesion. So I'm going to wipe this stuff off, let it dry, and start the painting. And there we go. I'm pretty much done. I'm going to do one more coat once this stuff gets tacky, and then I'll let it sit overnight. I'll show you the stuff I'm using here. This is Duplicolor caliper paint, good for up to 500 degrees. My research has indicated that the brake use, for normal brake use, will rarely get over 300. I probably could have used some other less expensive stuff. That's just, what, $9 a can or whatever it is. But, most of the stuff I was looking at is good up to 200 degrees, which arguably might be good enough. Might not be, who cares? Like I said, I've got one more coat to go. I've not done the interiors, of course. I've just left the interiors as is. And then I may put a gloss coat on here to make it look nice. But here we go. This should be the last video I make of these things. I'll let it dry overnight. Let them dry overnight, and then I will put them back on the car tomorrow. There we go.